In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset your Yamaha AV receiver. And this can also solve the Decoder Off Error message and other error message that are software. Obviously, if you have something broke inside, something that needs a replacement, this won't solve the problem. But most of them will be okay with this technique. So what you need to do is to press the straight button and at the same time just press once the power button. Then you can release. You'll enter in this special menu over here. What you need to do is to use those arrows to navigate through it, and you need to navigate until you see Inish Cancel. This is for initialized. To change the cancel here, you're gonna use the straight button here, press once until you see all. So now it's initialize all. It will factory reset everything. The last step is to finally press the power button once. The unit will shut down, and it's best to let it sit like this at least a minute, and then you can power it off back again by pressing the power button and it will be factory resetted. This is great if you bought the unit secondhand or if you want to resell it and you don't want the new person to have all your settings. And as I said, it can also solve other problems. So please leave a like, a comment down below if you have other information, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.